We are surrounded by a variety of moving objects. Buses, cars, cycles, and carts move on the roads. Trains run on railway tracks. These things do not move on their own. A train moves because it is pulled by an engine. A rickshaw puller pulls the rickshaws by pushing the pedals. A lawn mower is pushed across a lawn to cut the growing grass. Thus, a thing moves when it is pulled or pushed. A push or pull of an object is called force. A force can affect an object in different ways. In order to understand the effects of force, we have to see what a push or pull will do to an object. A table can be made to move by giving it a gentle push. If we have a moving toy car already, we can make it move faster by giving it a push in the direction in which it is moving. When we play games like tennis, football, and hockey, we are changing the direction of the ball by hitting it. The boy is applying a force to stop a moving ball. We can change the shape of snow, clay, or atta to almost anything we want by applying force on it. There are different types of force in nature. Magnetic force. It is the force exerted by magnet on each other and on some metals like iron and nickel. Since magnet attracts iron, it is used to separate waste iron object from garbage dumps. Gravitational force. It is the force with which object pull or another. It is the gravitational force that keeps us bound on the earth. Otherwise, we would all fly in the space. Gravitational force also make the earth and other planets move around the sun. Muscular force. Whenever we do any physical work, we use muscular force. When you pull or chair, you apply a force by using your muscles. We use this force for running, breathing, laughing, and doing a number of simple activities in our daily life. When we push or pull a thing, it moves. Sometimes the object is so heavy that even if we use full force, the object does not move. In scientific terms, work is done only when the object moves through a distance. If you want to find out whether what is being done or not, just ask yourself, does a push or pull move the object through a distance? If the answer is yes, it means that work is being done. Hence, the work is said to be done if the force applied on an object causes the object to move in the direction of the force. Energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. Whenever work is done, energy is used up. Energy has different forms. Let us discuss some of them. Heat energy, kinetic energy, electric energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, mechanical energy, light energy, potential energy, and heat energy. Moving object, example, a running cheetah, flowing water, and wind have kinetic energy. Energy is stored inside on the object due to its position. Example, a brick kept on the top of a wall is called potential energy. We get light energy when we burn fuels like wood and kerosene. We also get heat energy from the sun. Heat energy is used in steam engine, in the generation of electricity using oil, natural gas, coal, etc., and in cooking. Sunlight is the main source of light energy. Plants perform photosynthesis using energy derived from sunlight. A burning candle, bulb and tube light give light. Source of sound such as radio, television, music system, musical instruments and firecrackers give sound energy. A magnet possesses magnetic energy. We have already learned that iron is attracted by magnet. In many factories, scrap iron is separated from the heap of waste materials by using big electromagnets fit to a curve. Electric energy is used when we light bulbs, tube lights, or use any appliance that runs on electricity. Computer, television, washing machine, and music system are some appliances that use electricity.